As you see, I'm running my trains as usual. Except usually I don't use my CBSR unit on these trains. I usually do something called a maintenance train where I got flat cars and crap. Anyway, this is basically showing how you can get shots like these with a tripod. But you don't have to buy a tripod. You can use materials all over the house. Basement. Whatever. And basically, they could be a lot of things. As you can imagine, I've used most of these. But let's say you got a non-movable object like that. And it's a perfect area to tape your trains. Well, in some of my videos, I've actually used stuff like this. There's tripods and these boxes, which kind of suck, but I'm on minimum wage. Wait, I don't get paid at all. And basically, to capture that shot, set the camera on there, and pretty strange what you do, huh? Let's try another one. It's just a simple process. Now this is with my hand, and you can tell it's a little shaky. Basically, those two shots were just using a vacuum cleaner box, and a piece of Lionel track. And actually, I got pretty creative. Cause remember my old shots where I got the overhead views from putting them on this ladder? All I did was put the box here, plus the track, and just zoomed in. As you can tell, I can't get a good shot without shaking. Like them unbalanced. So basically, that's all you gotta do for a tripod. You could get probably some of the best shots ever if you actually try it. I wouldn't recommend doing this for a regular rail fan. First off, you look rather ridiculous, but for railroading, model railroading, this would be great. Let's see if I can get this one shot. Not all the time you want to use this track, so